Assalamu alaikum. Today talk about of types of joint. A joint is the point where two or more bones meet. There are three main types of joint: fibrous, immovable, cartilaginous, partly movable, and the synovial, rarely movable joint. The shape shows the cartilaginous joint between two vertebrae. Joint of the upper limb. Structure of the shoulder joint. The shoulder joint is formed by the articulation of the head of the humerus with the clinoid cavity or fossa of the scapula. The structures of acromioclavicular joint. The acromioclavicular joint consists of an articulation between the lateral end of the clavicle and the acromion of the scapula. The sternoclavicular joint. The sternoclavicular joint consists of the sternal end of the clavicle, the membrane of the sternum, and part of the first costal cartilage. The elbow joint. They consist of two separate articulations: trochlear notch of the ulna and the trochlear of the humerus, head of the radius and the capitulum of the humerus. The raised joint. Structures of the raised joint. The raised joint is formed by distally the proximal row of the carpal bones, except the base form. Proximally, the distal end of the radius and the articular disc, see below. Joint of the lower limb. Structure of the hip joint. Articulating surface. The hip joint consists of an articulation between the head of femur and sternum of the pelvis. The knee joint. The knee joint is bicondyle type synovial joint, which mainly allows for flexation and extension, and a small degree of medial and lateral rotation. It is formed by articulation between the patella, femur, and tibia. The ankle joint. The ankle joint or talcular joint is a synovial joint located in the lower limb. It is formed by the bones of the leg and the foot, the tibia, fibula, and talus. The subtalar joint. The subtalar joint is an articulation between two of the tarsal bones of in the foot, the talus and ganglions. The joint is classed structurally as a synovial joint and functionally as a blunt synovial joint. The subtalar joint. The subtalar joint is an articulation between two of the tarsal bones of in the foot, the talus and ganglions. The joint is classed structurally as a synovial joint and functionally as a blunt synovial joint. Then